Where'd all this camping gear come from? I can't remember having this much. Where's the fishing rod now?
Oh, Ted!
Jen! I'm just getting the camping gear out. I'll put it all away in a minute.
You are a disaster area.
My old friend. Now I really know it's spring. Here's yours, Nipper. Just like mine.
Oh, no, not those again. They stink.
Ted, no!
No!
Ted! Ted, you sneeze like that every spring.
It's just an allergy. I'm better now.
Oh, please, Dad.
Got a tissue?
Wait, Dad, when are we going camping?
No one's going anywhere until we clean up this whole flat.
And the sooner we start, the sooner we finish, right, kids?
Nipper, let's go pack. Yeah, great idea.
You let me know when we're ready to leave, eh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can control this. I do not have to sneeze. That's better. Oh, no. No. Let's go!
What's that smell? Is it disinfectant? Mr. Fish, I bet. Wow, I think I'm going to sneeze.
2 knees? Whose knees?
Not kneeze, sneeze. Like when you have to use a hanky.
Hanky?
Like our dad. Every year about now he starts to sneeze.
Oh, hay fever. It can happen during any of the 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, or autumn. Sometimes things you smell make you sneeze.
Uh-oh. Lotus? Lotus say something?
Righto, who's ready for fun?
We are!
Well, what are we waiting for?
Let's go! We're going on a holiday. Yodi, yodi, yo. We're off to sing and dance today. Yodi, yodi, yo. We're going on a holiday. Yodi, yodi, yo. We're off to sing and dance today. Yodi, yodi, yo.
Got it? Now, you guys just hold this pole up here. Hold it straight and keep it very steady for me, will you?
Oh, don't.
Ted, don't. Oh, thank goodness.
Well, start again.
My tummy's rumbling.
Wait till I get the fire started.
Hurry up and get the fire going.
I knew it'd come in handy for something.
Dad, be careful.
Okay, this time we're gonna get a photo for sure. If I can just get a little bit closer.
Dad.
Okay. Lens cap off.
Dad. No, Dad. Well, Dad.
You're not all angry with me, are you, kids? Look, we had fun anyway, didn't we? Yodi, yodi, yo. I'm sorry I ruined everyone's holiday again.
Never mind, darling. We still love you.
See you next year, Jackie. Don't put it away like that. No wonder it stinks. Stinks. Every year. Sometimes it's so bad I want to put a peg on my nose. Just like Dad's. You don't think... I'll bet you.
You did what?
We had to, Dad. Look, this is what's been making you sneeze.
Oh, gee, you're right.
See, Dad, you are allergic to it. But it doesn't mean you can't wear your jacket. It was only the collar.
It's not bad, I guess. That's very clever of you. What did you do with the rest of it, though?